Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the second chapter of literature, that is the tsunami. Tsunami refers to a very large and powerful wave in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. One such calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2004. The worst affected parts were coastal parts of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Thailand. Some 150,000 people lost their lives, but animals suffered very few casualties. Perhaps they had sensed the coming earthquake and they ran to safer high places. This lesson recounts a few stories of bravery and intelligence when the tsunami hit the Andamans. The first story is about Ignatius, the manager of a cooperative society. He lost two of his children, wife, and father-in-law as he could not get alarmed by the tremor. Next story was of Sanjeev. He was a policeman. He jumped into the water to rescue his cook's wife, but they were both swept away. The next story is of Meghna and Alma. Both Meghna's and Alma's families were washed away. Both of them kept floating in the sea for days. Meghna floated in the sea for 2 days, holding on to a wooden door. She was brought to the shore by a wave. Similarly, Alma's climbed onto a log of wood and fainted. She woke up in a hospital. Both the girls were traumatized after the incident, while Meghna was seen walking on the seashore in days. Alma's does not talk about the incident to anyone. Both of them were noticed by relief helicopters. Now the next story is about Tilly Smith. She was a British schoolgirl and she came to Phuket with her family to celebrate the Christmas holidays. And she was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand, as she had seen the sea behaving in the same way in a video in her class of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. She had won a number of awards. The tourist thanked Tilly and her geography lesson that had warned her. Before tsunami in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals fled to safety. Elephants ran for higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas as seemed to know what was about to happen. It is believed that animals either possess a sixth sense or have more acute hearing that helps them to hear or feel Earth's vibration. Near about 150,000 people killed in tsunami in a dozen countries, but not many animals reported dead. So students, this is the summary of the tsunami chapter, and as I have already given you the link in the previous chapter, that is the learncbse.in. From there, you will note down the word meanings and the question answer in your note copy. Thank you everyone.